Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So now we are going to start Microsoft Word series. So what is Microsoft Word? Microsoft Word is basically used to create documents. As many of you know that in the MS Office we have Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel and Microsoft PowerPoint. All these three softwares have different functionalities. So now we are going to discuss Microsoft Word. It is basically used to create documents. You can create your notes in this document, and apart from notes you can create many other interactive material, like you can create banners, you can create invitation card, you can create photo galleries using the Microsoft Word. So Microsoft Word, with the help of which we are able to create very interactive documents. We can add text, we can add pictures, videos, audios, tables in the document. Okay, and so these are the various tabs which are provided in the Microsoft Word. All these options you can see all have some functionalities. In the series we will be discussing the most important functionalities which you should know to create any document. So first of all, I would like to tell you one function. Right now I have no text written on my document, it is totally blank. So to apply any functionality of this document, first of all I have to write the text on the document. But if I type the text, it will take lot of time. So what I'm using a one function, rand function. What does this function means? This function is going to create dummy data for us, on which we will be providing formatting. Okay, it is going to provide us a dummy text. The first parameter of this function defines a number of paragraphs in your document, and 7 represent how many number of lines will be present in one paragraph. Let me press enter. Now you can see this function has created 5 paragraphs for me, and in each paragraph I am having 7 lines. Okay, so we will be gradually discussing all the options, but first of all let me tell you about the most important functions. So the one function we have here is margin. So the by default margin of your document is normal. You can see it is by default checked here. What does margin means? Margin means how many space you will be leaving at the left, at the top, at the right and at the bottom. So by default our margin is normal. So what is the top left, bottom right margin here? 2.54 centimeter. What does this mean? Means at the left I am having 2.54 space, at the top I am having 2.54 centimeter. Similarly for right and bottom. Okay, so now you can see that we have created 5 paragraphs. So the second page, you can see that we just have few lines on the second page. I just want to shift these 4 lines on my upper page, on my page number 1, so that I can print only one page. On the second page there is little bit data present, so I want to shift this data to the top page so that I can reduce my printouts. Okay, now I have 2 pages. If I have to print, it will be taking 2 pages if we use only one side of the page, but now it is going to take 2 pages. So what can I do? If I reduce spaces from the left, top, bottom and right, then there is a chance that this paragraph can, or these few lines can come on the top page. Let's try. As you can see, in the normal margin we have 2.54 centimeter all around, top, left, bottom and right. In narrow, it is quite less as compared to normal. In narrow, we have only 1.27 centimeter at the top, left, bottom and right. Let's try this option. So now you can see as I reduce the margin of left, right, top and bottom, my content has come to the first page. The content which was coming on the second page, now it has come on the first page. So when we require our data, we don't want to use many printouts, we want to reduce the number of size of pages, then in that case margin can help us a lot. Okay, now let's try another margins. Let's suppose moderate. You can see. Okay, so from the top distance the space has been increased. Not only this, these are some margin options, but if these options doesn't suit you, you can also go for custom margins, where you can specify this space from left, right, top and bottom accordingly. Okay, I am giving space 0.1, 0.1, 0.1 and right 0.1. Now you can see the space has been reduced from left, top and bottom and right. So this margin can help us if we want to reduce the number of pages for the printout. There is one more option which can be helpful if we want to do custom margin. We have one option here in view. We have one option, that is ruler. Okay, I want to increase the space from the top. You can see this symbol here. If you press it down, it will create a space for you. Similarly, if I just do it right, if I do it right, it is going to create a space for me. So in a customized way we can set our margins. Okay, so this ruler bar is also going to help us if we want to create custom margins. So this was just the basic idea of the Microsoft Word, and let me tell you how it is going to print if we are going to print this page. I'll have to go to firstly file here, then print preview. So you can see the preview here. In this way your document is going to be printed. Okay, so in the next video we will be discussing other options related to page setup, data orientation and size. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.